On your first login, none of the menus will work. This is what you'll see. It's called a master intake. You need to tell the AI about yourself, who you are. First name, last name, company name, your website. And you need to spend, I recommend, at least 20 minutes on this. Be as detailed as possible. What do you sell? Your value proposition, your ideal buyer, your ICP. Whom are you selling to? The number one pain. Then this is AI. The AI will, once you click the regenerate button, it'll tell you who do we think you should be selling to. And if you disagree, you can go one by one, refine it, the company, the type, the main pain, or add another one. You fill this in. How does the day looks like? What happens if they don't buy from you? Who's your main competitors? This will take you 20 minutes, and it's a must. Once you're done, you have a big blue button, generate. You click that. First thing that it does is going to validate your ICP. Who do you think you should be selling to? You told it. Now it's going to make sure that you are correct because you might be wrong. It's also going to validate the market, the vertical, and it's going to run and check your competitors. This entire process is going to usually take between 2 and 4 minutes. It generates 4 different documents. One of them is your GTM, your go-to-market plan. Your other one is your sales playbook, your marketing plan, and your daily workflow. Text shows up as it goes. Each document looks like this. Okay, so it writes chapter by chapter. Now it's already 4 chapters. And in parallel, it writes your playbook. That's already has 5 chapters, your marketing plan, and your daily workflow. Your daily workflow is if you're a manager or if you're a solopreneur and you sell yourself, it's a good plan to know what to do at what time. Let's say I have 4 hours a day to sell. It literally breaks it down what to do. Once this will be done, it will roll up, and all the documents have the following 4 buttons. Focus read opens the document, shows you the chapters currently in it. You can search the document. Another one is edit manually. If you disagree with a line or two and you want to edit that, you can copy the entire document, or you can export it to Word and to send to others. So this is done. The check mark, the go-to-market plan is done. It has 10 chapters. Let's see. One-liner, who you are, whom to chase, what's the problem that you solve, what's your offer, the motion, the revenue, your first 90 days, your biggest risks, and your CRO verdict. It tells you who you are, what you do. This is the validation. You claimed that this is whom you're selling. We checked it, and it's only partially right. You should be selling to tier 1, to those, tier 2, to those, and those you should be avoiding. That's a wrong fit. And an explanation of why. Now, all of your 4 documents are ready. Here's your sales playbook. 13 chapters. That's the biggest document. How to sell, who you are, who's the market, why will they be buying from you, and so on and so forth. Gives you a very, very detailed guide on how to sell your product. Same goes for the marketing plan. What do you need? Who the buyers are? And by the way, in the GTM and the sales playbook, they also gives you all the tools that you will need. If you at any point want to update your sales plan, you go to your sales program and you edit the intake, and whatever you change here will automatically change your ICPs. Hit the resuggest or regenerate, and it's done. For example, right now you have a new board member, you have a new price list, you drop it all here. The more information is in the master intake, the more information the software knows about you.